2007, Delhi-based Abhishek Sinha sold his successful telecom company to start Echo India Financial Services. The company offers community banking to the underprivileged and uses mobile phones for this purpose. Today, the company has over 75,000 customers in Bihar, Jharkhand and the National Capital Region. Here's the story. As far as chance meetings go, interacting with the inspirational Bill Gates would be a dream come true for anybody. For budding social entrepreneur Abhishek Sinha, it was a serendipitous moment he can never forget. Abhishek's startup Echo, which aims to make mobile phones the financial identity of the poor, was at the tipping point of going under when Gates paid a surprise visit to Echo's Delhi office. The personal visit was a part of his foundation's collaboration with CGAP, the organization which had just given Echo a shot in the arm by giving it funds. For Echo, which had hit rock bottom, the only direction now was up.
In our journey in Echo, we faced various debacles because it was kind of a first of its kind. We had partnered with Centurion Bank of Punjab in early 2008 and they got merged into HDFC Bank, and HDFC Bank at that point in time did not find it prudent to move with this project, so the relationship got terminated. What coincidentally happened is that our project got noticed by CGAP, which is Consultative Group for Assisting the Poor, and they were working very closely with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So Bill Gates was there in India on a personal visit and he happened to surprise us by coming and visiting us at our project location one morning. Post that event, CGAP gave us a grant. With God's grace, we were also able to tie up with State Bank of India. So right from no bank and struggling to get banks, we got the largest bank in the country.
With the Centurion debacle well and truly a story of the past, the partnership with SBI was just the fillip Echo needed. And the Echo team was buzzing to have got the country's largest bank on board. The grand old bank on its part showed amazing foresight to understand the potential of Echo's new age model, its user interface, its technology and the way it did things. And with the technical help of another behemoth, Wipro, Echo has literally stood on the shoulders of giants to construct its own success story.
By choosing the Kirana shop or a chemist store or stationery stores, stores like that which are within the neighborhood community, we have tried to take the banking to the doorstep of the customer, and that's essentially one thing which significantly differentiates us. From the business point of view, what it also does is that we have the choice of an existing store means that the store is already viable. Somebody who is running a Kirana business is already making a certain kind of income, and that sort of reduces the amount of investment that one needs to make to get someone started.
The biggest beneficiaries of banking through mobiles have been the urban poor. A case in point is Praveen, an auto driver from Noida. This daily wage earner was losing valuable time every day to visit his bank branch, time that could have been spent earning a little more money. Activities like driving to the branch, standing in a queue and depositing the money were cruelly cutting into his auto driving time. As soon as he heard about Echo, he signed up for the service and now proudly proclaims his financial azadi.
पहले में ये था कि पिताजी को, भाई को, भाभी को पैसे दे देते थे रखने के लिए, और ज़रूरत पड़ती है कहीं तो मांगने के लिए जाना पड़ता था। अब ये तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि भाई के ऊपर मांगने जाओ। अब तो मैंने खाता खुलवा लिया यूको बैंक में, तो आपने जाते जब डालते और अपनी जब मर्जी होती है तब ज़रूरत होती है तो निकाल लेते हैं हम अपने, यही सहूलियत है। और कहीं भी कैसे भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स, यहाँ प्रदेश में रह रहे हैं तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है खाते खुलाने के लिए, तो यहाँ छोटा सा कोई लाइसेंस ले जाओ या पहचान पत्र हो तो खुल जाता है।
For this tea stall owner from Morna village in the NCR region, Echo is a great way to save a penny a day. Small change, which would have otherwise got lost in daily expenses, is deposited in his SBI Echo account at the nearby electronics store. At the end of the month, the accrued savings are like a new source of income for this family. This financial adventure was so beneficial for Banwari Lal that he immediately opened another one for his wife.
मैसेज काफ़ी खुश है क्योंकि अब उसे भी कहीं दूर नहीं जाना पड़ता, क्योंकि बिल्कुल शॉप के पास हमारे रामचंद्र इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल के नाम से दुकान है, उसमें इको का काउंटर है, तो वो तुरंत जाती है, जमा कर देती है, उसके मोबाइल में मैसेज आ जाता है, अपने कभी मैसेज देख लेती है, कभी पैसा निकाल लेती है, काफ़ी अच्छा बेहतरीन है। जब इमरजेंसी हो जब भी निकाल लिया, जब बचा जब भी दे दिया जमा करने के लिए।
Echo does rigorous background checks on the retailers who apply to become its CSP or customer service point.
सर ये एड्रेस प्रूफ इंडिया में कहीं का भी चलेगा?
A minimum establishment duration of 10 years in the locality is a must, after which the selection process starts, which also includes interviews. Selected candidates are then given a half-day classroom training before they go live.
यहाँ हम सबसे पुराना है, जैसे 14-15 साल हो गया हमारा सबको, और यहाँ हम ट्रस्टेड है, तो एको वाले ने ये देखे है कि हाँ यहाँ पे ये लोग ठीक से कर पाएंगे इस चीज को, इसलिए उन्होंने सीएसपी के लिए एको वाले ने चुने हैं।
Our agents don't need to acquire any type of point of sales equipment or any type of device. There is no capital expenditure at the beginning. The only thing that is required for our CSP customer service points, who are the retailers that are servicing the customer, is a very basic mobile phone. And therefore, the ability to scale up in this, with this model is really much greater than with other models. This is on the side of the customer service point. On the side of the customer themselves, the customer will be able to perform transaction even if they are completely, even if they are only number literate, because the transaction requires exclusively typing in numbers.
Abhishek believes that the telecom revolution that India has seen in the past few years provides an unshakable foundation for his company's growth. And in India, where 60% of the population is still unbanked, the opportunities for providing banking services to the poor are endless. So that was Echo India Financial Services, exploring the business correspondent model in the banking sector. In India, where only about 40% of the population has bank accounts, such companies have huge potential.